This is a video that builds upon the video I sent previously for using the Pleats fold and the Pleats sewing tool. I'm actually going to start by creating the internal lines to show you why it doesn't work. It may not work for you. I'm going to distribute internal lines here, and I'm going to say 14 lines here and click OK. Now these will fold. Obviously we can fold this with our Pleats fold tool, okay, but this will not sew correctly because this is a single segment. Okay, the top segment here needs to be broken up into equal segments that match where these internal lines have gone. So if I use my internal or my segment point tool and I right click here, I'm going to say uniform split, and what I want to do is match those splits up to those lines. So in this case it's 15 this is the number of segments, okay, and it's the same on the top and the bottom, uniform split 15. This will now sew because each one of these is a separate segment, and the way that it sews together, the pleat folds automatically, so it needs these segments to be able to work correctly. I'm going to make a copy of this for the back, and I'm going to arrange this in the back so that okay, and we could now sew this, and this will work. So now onto the Pleats sewing tool. Okay, each of these have been given a fold angle based on what we need. You can see the fold angle. Okay, so if I use my Pleats sewing tool and I start on the waistband and I then sew these together, it sews the segments as needed. Okay, it knows to fold it along the particular fold lines. And then I can do the other with this one as well, the same number. And now these will come together as they should based on the pleats and the folds and the segment points on the line segment. I just need to sew the sides here. And just for visualization, I like to turn on strengthen. Okay, so now when I simulate this, this will pull together. The strengthen will give it a little bit of body so that I can see how that it comes together. And so now it has done my knife pleats here as I need. And then I can turn off the strengthen and I will get normal drapes for my knife pleats. Okay, so again, the key is the segmented seam lines on the top and bottom of the pattern pieces.